afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being here.
Philpop Himig Handog Media Conference.
Woo!
The biggest OPM collaboration happening in Philippine music.
Okay, now let's go to our next composer, Rob Angeles.
Rob!
For Mahiwaga.
Tunog mati ni Idol naman si Rob. Hi, Rob!
Hello po.
Ay, oh,
Good
ayan.
afternoon po. So, yung question na same lang din po. When I was writing Mahiwaga po, it was initially...
Pero ang kitang title, bakit mo tinanggal ang mga vowels?
Ayun po.
Parang
kasi,
BGYO, gano'n. Tapos ano, di ba, Bini?
parang
Wala lang
ano po
may
siya, tinanggal ko lang po yung consonants para pang
Consonants
Gen Z.
pala.
Pang Gen Z siya. Tama ba?
Tinanggal
consonants?
natin yung vowels. Oh, yung
Nalito
vowels.
tuloy ako sa'yo.
Pag tinanggal yung consonants, i-a-a.
Ang dami.
Go ahead.
A-i-a-a.
Ayun po, when I was writing Mahiwaga, it was, wala po ang ibang artist na nasa isip kasi it was initially for me po talaga, for my next single. And yung demo po nun, it was, ayun po, inareglo po ng producer ko, which is si Mick Saleco, which is a...
Ay, correct. Si Mick
yes
Saleco.
po, interpreter po din po before ng Best. Yun po, so, nung, hindi ko po talaga ina-expect na makapasok yung Mahiwaga sa top 12. So, nung...
Pero boy band na talaga ang gusto mong kumanta.
Yes po. Actually, banda po, pero... yun po,
Banda, okay.
banda po or P-pop, yun po yung mga nasa isip ko. Then,
Na
yun
fresh?
Po.
Oh, Diyos ko, ang fresh na mga boys.
So, yun po, nung sinuggest po nila yung vision, wala po akong masabi. Kasi ang sobrang saya nilang kasama, katrabaho. Kasi during the recording, kahit late ako nun, di ba? Gabi na
Ba't
nun.
ka naman
So,
late? Charing
parang
lang.
biglaan po kasi yung schedule noon. So, wala rin po ang idea. Tapos, yun po, binigay ko ho yung, parang kinausap ko sila para malaman po nila yung purpose.
Ang galing naman, Hanson
ng
ka.
yun, kasi po, yun po, may contact din po ako sa producer and et cetera. So, yun po, sinabi ko ho sila sa kanila yung purpose ng song na, yun nga, Mahiwaga is about life. Life is mysterious, life is inexplicable, it offers lots of opportunities. Pero hindi mo makita yung mga opportunities na yun kung hindi ka mag-move forward dahil nga buhay ay mahiwaga.
Alam na alam niya ang kanta niya, no? The way he answers. Ang galing.
Thank you po.
And congratulations, boys. Galing.
Thank you po.
Jonathan has good words about that vision. Very, very promising.
Thank you po, sir.
Malapit na. Ito na tayo. Papunta na rin kayo doon. Congratulations.
From Nika, still.
Okay.
This is for Vision, Sir Jonoy, and Jolian. Okay, the question is, without spoiling anything, what is your song genre or feels? Sige, unahin natin ang Vision.
Vision,
Yes. So first of all po, sobrang honored po namin to be part of this grand event and to be in the same lineup as Icons po. Sobrang thankful po
what's your name again?
Franz
Franz.
po. Franz.
Franz, okay. And the other boys, may answer?
Sige, maybe we can do your introduction, Vision.
Oo, sana.
Sige.
Para
Alright.
Wag naman vision na ano lang.
Hello po everyone, good show VR.
Woo!
Vision. Hello, this
Oy,
is
may
C13.
ganon.
Hey guys, this is Sam.
Gusto niyo yan?
Hey guys, I'm Franz.
Hello po, I'm Vince.
Franz, Vince.
Hello everyone, my name is Patrick.
Sorry?
Patrick.
Patrick.
Yes.
And?
Sam.
Sam.
Yeah.
Alright. Would you like to add to that, to what Vince said? Ikaw si Vince, right?
Franz po.
Franz, okay.
Alright, so yung song po namin is very hopeful, but at the same time, it's upbeat and parang may enjoy mo talagang pakinggan to. And kapag sad ka, parang you just need to listen to it and you'll be filled with hope.
Kailangan natin yan, mga ganyan songs, ano? Pag sad ka,
Yes.
mag-uplift ka. Mahirap pa i-areglo ang All Boys. Ikaw ang mareglo nito, no? Ikaw na rin.
Hindi po.
Sino?
Arranged by Mig Saleco and Timothy Regla po.
Okay.
Saan ba nila pwede pakinggan yung mga kanta for this year's Philpop Himig Handog Songwriting Festival? Walang iba kundi sa Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and on all of your favorite digital streaming platforms worldwide. You can listen to our top 12 songs there. Available na po ang mga ito. So let's support these top 12 songs. This has been the Philpop Himig Handog Grand Media Launch, and we hope you support the 2024 Philpop Himig Handog Songwriting Festival. Thank you po! Have a great day!
Of course, our technical team, ang galing ng pagkakamount. Thank you and congratulations, audio and